You spend 12 long hours on your feet taking care of everyone else while your feet are screaming in pain. You get home, the demands keep coming, and that ache follows you straight to bed. Next morning, you hobble right back to work. If this is you, this video is about changing your cycle of pain. Interested? Servers, assembly workers, warehouse workers, along with thousands of other professions, repeat this cycle of pain every single day. It's not uncommon for these professions to log 5,000 to 7,000 steps daily. When you hit middle age, your feet have literally carried you the same as walking around the earth twice. If you behave like most people, you will ignore your feet. You won't do anything until they hurt so badly it changes how you stand and walk. It really comes down to basic physics. Your foot is an engineering masterpiece. 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, ligaments packed into one tight shock absorber. But just like any mechanical device under constant use, it can wear out. Let's focus on a nurse ending a grueling 12-hour shift. Her feet are throbbing, but she walks right into a shift two at home, cooking, cleaning, and taking care of her family. Who has the time or energy to book a professional massage after that? At the end of this domestic second shift, all she can do is collapse into bed. It isn't surprising she tosses and turns with aching feet and wakes up exhausted to start her cycle of pain all over again. In desperation, she might grab a cheap handheld massager from online, only to find out it's awkward to hold, frustrating to use, and offers little real relief. Enter the solution, a full body massage chair. I want you to imagine sitting down after a long day and feeling the chair gently envelop your feet. It doesn't just vibrate. The chair applies a highly engineered mechanism that moves with the right force, rhythm, and precision needed to melt the pain away. You don't have to bend over, hold anything, or press down. The chair does everything while you just sit back and rest. I bet you have more than just foot pain, right? These modern day miracles treat your entire body all the way up to your neck. In just a few minutes while you watch TV or read, you get targeted deep tissue therapy that boosts circulation and melts away your tension. Plus, it sets you up for incredible sleep. A session lowers your stress hormone, cortisol, while boosting serotonin and dopamine. Because serotonin helps your body produce natural melatonin, you're preparing yourself for a truly restorative sleep. You deserve this solution for breaking the cycle of pain and to wake up feeling refreshed and ready for your day. I'd love for you to experience this for yourself. You need to come visit our showroom to test out our chairs in person, or give us a call to set up a personal consultation. If I haven't convinced you, then read the hundreds of reviews on our website. They illustrate how massage chairs change lives. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Share it with someone you know who's on their feet all day, and subscribe to join us on this journey. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Take care of yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.